So you're looking for the top 3 downloader codes, which are all 100% safe, 100% working as of May 2026, and 100% do not contain any kind of adverts. So there's just too many websites where you have lots of dodgy pop-ups, you have lots of fake links, and it really does make finding applications long-winded and in many cases very frustrating. So you're not going to have any issues like that with the 3 codes today. Now, before you start, make sure you've activated your VPN just for your own privacy, just for your own protection. I personally recommend IPVanish. It's super fast, super secure, and if you scan that QR code, you'll get a special discount just for the month of May. Once you've activated that, let's now open up Downloader. Now, the first code we have today is actually my own website, which is 53402. Now, you'll notice again on my website, you'll see 0 adverts. It's super fast. It has a really nice menu structure, so you can see all of your favorite applications, all properly categorized. So if you're looking for utilities, or if you're looking for media players, all of that good stuff, you'll find it directly inside the tool section. So I've recently updated the content for the month of May. So if you are looking for the best and safest place for all of your applications, do check out my website, which again has the code 53402. Now, the next one we have in the list, it actually belongs to another YouTuber called Kevin Portillas. His download code is just 874521. Now, the benefit of his website, I'd say the main benefit is the fact that everything is properly categorized, and he also puts dates next to each application, so you can see exactly when these applications were updated. So if you are somebody that's always looking for the latest versions, the latest applications, I think it is a great feature that he does add the date on all of his applications. Again, you won't see any adverts. It's a super fast, super clean list. And again, if you're looking for your favorite applications, Kevin is also a great one to check out. And that code once again is 874521. Now, the last one in the list is actually Doc Squiffy's website. I'm sure you guys are already following him. Great YouTuber, has some fantastic content, and his code is just 75726. Now, the great thing about his website, you'll see it does have a very similar layout to my website. So again, you'll see no adverts, a super clean layout. All of the content is properly categorized. So, you know, if you are looking for certain content in certain categories, you can quickly filter that and see all of the applications there. And just like the other 2 websites, particularly mine, all of our content is vetted, all of our content is checked. So you don't have to worry about, am I downloading a virus or am I downloading malware? Because I definitely scan my applications through VirusTotal. So, you know, the applications are safe, they can be trusted, and it just gives you the extra peace of mind when you are downloading these kind of applications. So now I can say the same thing for Doc's website. So all of the content is trusted, it is validated, so you can safely download any application that you want. So that's the best list for the month of May, all properly working, all properly categorized. So if you're looking for applications for your FireStick, for your Android TV, for your Google TV devices, I'm sure you'll find the content you are looking for in these 3 downloader codes. So really appreciate your support. I'll try to do one of these videos once a month because, as you can imagine, in this arena, things do require updates, things do stop working. So again, just to make sure that you have the best and the most working downloader codes, I'll make sure you guys are up to date with that. So again, make sure you are subscribed with all notifications so you know exactly when the new video drops. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.